As you closely watch the fat man in his habitat. I think he spotted us. I must get behind the bushes again. I don't think he knows we're here. If you look closer, you can see him getting fatter. He doesn't know that we're here. As you can see, he's very confused. Oh, disgusting. You can hear him get fatter. I'm gonna get a better angle. When you get into an angle this good, you need to be absolutely quiet. Any slight noise might give away your position. However, sensing that danger is imminent, he continues eating, because that's what makes him happy. Again, I cannot stress staying quiet. See, as you can see, the beast gets very angry. The minute he hears any sound, he starts looking for his assailant. However, still eating. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh,